songbird.com, where we get grounded, take flight and sing. Now earlier in January I had put out a call out to all of you to say if you've got any questions for me, to film yourself on a video asking the question and that I would actually include you in my video. So thank you so much, Carol from Pennsylvania. We are answering your question. You are the first person to have submitted a question on video, so we're answering your question today. So let's take a look at Carol's question.
Hi, Kerri. This is Carol from Pennsylvania, and I have a question about transitioning from your chest voice to your head voice. I'm in a worship band for 5 years, and I sing alto, and my pastor's from the Bahamas, so he really wants a strong female alto part. So when I move into a higher range in my chest voice, you can kind of tell that I'm straining. So I was wondering would it be best for me to improve my head voice volume, or is there a way for me to increase the range of my chest voice? So if you could give me some tips, that would be great. Talk to you soon. Bye.
Carol, what a great question. It is a very common question and I get this every single day. So your question is, how do you actually move from your chest voice through your transition into your head voice? And the second part of your question was how to go about it. Am I supposed to maybe just increase the volume in my head voice, and then so it sort of doesn't sound like there's a transition, or is there a way to actually increase the range of my chest voice? All right, so what we're actually really needing you to learn about here, Carol, is how to mix your voice. So in terms of strengthening your head voice, absolutely, you've got to do that, and that's something I'm going to take you through an exercise in a minute. In terms of increasing the range of your chest voice, yes, you can do that as well, but we shouldn't be thinking along the lines of I just want to sing higher and higher and higher in my chest voice, because if we do that, our bodies or our voices were not actually created to do it in that way. We were not meant to sing in chest voice continuously higher and higher. What happens if we do that is this: we end up sounding a bit like a cat being strangled. So something like na 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 na. So I'm trying to keep it all very chesty. Na 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 na. Alright, so sure, I could sing higher in my chest voice if I wanted to, but as you can hear, it starts to sound a bit harsh, it starts to sound a bit strained and like a cat has been strangled, and it's just not healthy for the voice, because our voice was not created to do that. What we're created to do though is to actually mix both our chest and our head voice. Okay, so I won't get into the science of it because that gets a bit complicated, but basically there's different muscles that are happening that both need to be used at the same time in order for you to mix your voice, okay? I'm going to give you 2 exercises today to help you with that. So the very first step is actually not to try and strengthen your chest voice, okay? We tend to go there and we tend to want to just be loud and powerful, but the first step you need to do is actually strengthen your head voice. Alright, so let's just get your head voice really strong, really clear, with no breathiness or airiness in that, okay? And this is the exercise I'm going to give you. So we're going to sing this all in head voice, and we're going to sing it like we are an opera singer, okay? And basically you're going to do a ooh, okay? So it's a very long sound. Ooh, okay, and you really want to be very sophisticated, like you're the Queen of England, okay, and yeah, just really exaggerate that opera feeling. All right, and we're gonna do. All right, come with me. Keep it really long. Now, if you can practice that every day and just doing that, okay, you're going to find that your head voice becomes really clear, really solid, really strong, okay, and that's going to help you make that transition sound a lot smoother. Now, the next exercise I'm going to give you is a specific one to help you mix your voice, okay? This is going to help you transition smoother as well as build the muscles up so that those two different muscles are actually working together, all right? So this is the exercise. Okay, so we're going to go. So I want you to sing goog, 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 all right? And it's a G-U-G, I guess is the way you spell it. And you're going to really try and keep everything loose, okay? So when you feel like you want to flip, then it's okay. Just let your voice do whatever it wants to do, okay? Don't force it. That is the key, okay? So we're going to go goog, 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 goog. So that one just helps you to transition a bit smoother. Now you're going to sort of put a little bit of a spoken tone in that. We're going to change it to go, all right? And you're going to really put a bit of speech into it. So it's almost like you're actually telling somebody, go, or go away. That kind of feeling, all right? You've got to really put a bit of speech into it, but without yelling, okay? So go, 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 go. See how I'm not like singing it? I'm not going go, 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 right? I'm going go, 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 go. Go, 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 okay? Go! Go, 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 go. 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 So there you have it, Carol. I really hope that helped you in some way. The key is to really work on strengthening that head voice first, then work on the transition, being smoother, then work on that speechy kind of feeling, all right? I really wish you all the best with your singing in your worship band. What an amazing thing to be a part of. Yeah, keep doing what you're doing, Carol, and everyone. I really hope that you actually got something out of this as well. Now, if you'd like some more information on, just how to build your voice, how to warm up your voice every day in the most perfect way that's going to really strengthen your voice and also give you, just the ability to sound your best, then please do go and check out my ultimate vocal warm-up guide. You can actually click on the link below and it'll be sent to you completely for free. Other than that, I'd love you to follow us on social media as well, so do go check us out, the Songbird Tree on Facebook and Instagram, and if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss out on any videos that I put out. Well, thank you so much for your time. Get grounded, take flight and sing, and I'll see you next time. Bye!